Hello po, good day po. I'm Cindy Santos, your student nurse for today po. I will be performing MOLS-HIT po, application po. And next po, identify the patient po. May I know your full name and birthday po?
Angelina Magnatos po ng September 14, 2007.
Thank you. I will verify identity by checking your ID band po. Okay, and next po, verify orders po. Verify type, location, duration, and discharge temperature po. And next po, review the history po, review chart for patient and consideration po. And next po, assess scan temperature and pain sensitive po. And next po, inspect the wood size, color, duration, and tenderness po, and drainage. And next po, assist client family, understand and safety awareness po. Nilinisan niyo po, kailan niyo po nilinisan yung sugat niyo po?
Every morning and afternoon.
And next po, assess the vital signs. Let's assume na po, na-check na po natin yung vital signs po. And expected outcomes po, identify expected outcome po, pain, relief, and comfort circulation po. And next, prepare the equipment po, such as hot compress, gloves, and alcohol po, and hot water po. And next po, I will explain the procedure po. I will be performing hot compress po. Mapipil niyo po na mainit po. And please inform me if you feel discomfort po. And next po, explain sensitization po. Describe warm, expected, and percussion, Agnes burns po. And next po, I will provide privacy for comfort po. And next, position the client po. And perform hand hygiene po. And next, protect bed po. Place towel po sa treatment area po. And next po, I will now apply hot water in head and on hot compress po. And next, I will now apply the hot compress po. And next, stop the such as burning pain, dizzying, and skin redness po. And next po, I will na inspect the area po. Inspect the area for effectiveness and sensitive po. And next po, assist the client in comfortable position po and burning sensitization po. And next po, reassess the vital signs po. Let's assume na lang po na reassess the vital signs po and expected outcome po. Identify and report the report and unexpected outcomes po, and such as increased pain, skin and irritation, burns and improvement po. And next, I will document my finding and I will check, ipapakita ko na po kay Precision, and I will document the procedure po and report the pertinent findings po. And next, follow each step po to ensure safety and effective moist heat application po. And we're done na po.